The result of putting a subject on a bright background from an image which comes with a dark background will make you to have a hilarious experience, and the opposite too. Today I am going to show you the easiest way to not to have the bad experience. So without getting delayed, let's get started. First, we have to select the subject. Select any selection tool. Then instead of hitting on this select subject, hit on this select and mask. Let me say why. You can select any color like black, red and white. I'm selecting on white and increase the transparency. This is how you can see what is going on and how the result will become after the selection. So I am selecting white. Now select subject, hit on refine here. Now select the refine edge tool, then paint on the edges. This is fine, and scroll down, output to new layer with layer mask. This will allow us to get a new layer with a layer mask without the background. Hit OK. Now take a solid color adjustment layer. By the way, this solid color adjustment layer is to demonstrate you how things works. Now select the subject layer. Make two copies of it by pressing Ctrl plus J. Press Ctrl plus J twice to make two copies of it. Then select the bottommost layer. Change the layer mode from normal to screen. Let me hide the layer. Don't worry, just consider the edges. Now select the middle layer. Select the mask of it. Press B to select brush tool, or you can select brush from here. Select black as foreground color. Zoom in. Paint on these edges like this way. You can decrease the flow to around 40 to 45. By the way, why this is happening? Because the subject is in dark color and the hair is taking the dark color and getting dark. And if the picture has a bright background and dark subject, then the dark subject edge will take the bright color and become bright. So this is the physics behind it. This is why this is happening. So let's back into work. By the way, you can press X to toggle between foreground and background. And what is the theory of mask? White shows and black hides. You can see the cat which is visible is in white and the background which is not visible in black. After doing this small thing, you can see the result is perfect. By the way, this layer is not in need now. This is how you can get rid of these black things. Thank you for watching, and if you not yet subscribed to Grabster, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss more tips and tricks video in future. And as always, play your life in your own style. See you in the next one.